Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm Emmanuel, CEO and founder of Zenith Chain. So today I'll be talking about DApps and how it is a gateway to Web3 and using our innovative products that have been built by the team at Zenith Chain, FusionX. I wanted to explain Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3, but a lot of persons have done that today. I don't want to bore you. In general, a lot of people talk about Web 3, and most persons don't even know the use case of Web 3. Me and my team at Zenith, we are a Web 3-centric and focused team. We see Web 3 as a future in general, as a future of tech, as it's not just a product that will disrupt the financial industry alone. I see it as a product that will disrupt all industry, that cut across all industry from power to politics. And I see Web3 as a democratized data, where you own your data, where you are in control. You know, there's no data leak, there's no selling of data to advertisers and all of that. That's what I see Web3 in general. And we have a lot of use case of Web3. I don't want to go deep into that, so I'll just go straight to our product, what we do. FusionX in general is it's a platform that we've built to usher in Web3 innovative products, to usher it into the public in general. With FusionX, FusionX is a platform where we've brought together the centralized part of crypto and the decentralized part of crypto under one app. So with FusionX, we built it because that's, in crypto, there are a lot of projects out there, and it's hard getting your hands on them. But with FusionX, it's a one house and one product thing. We also have an accelerator system where we help projects, Web3 innovative projects, to come build on us. We support them with from the idea stage up to the launch stage, because on the FusionX we have the spot side. On the FusionX, on the CEX part, we have a spot trading, margin trading, and all the trades that you can get on exchanges. And then the interesting part is also on the DeFi part. That is the most interesting thing. The DeFi part is a gateway to interact with all your applications, different applications that you can use FusionX to interact with, from the metaverse to play to N tokens, to NFT marketplace, to move to N tokens, and a whole lot of different applications. Also, sorry if I'm forgetting, I'm not kind of a stage person. I'm a computer guy, I'm a developer from stage, so sorry if I forget a little bit. So the team at Zenith is right there. If you are a project and a developer in general, and you're looking to launch on us, we have we have one of the fastest EVM chain. I would say one of the fastest because there are a lot of EVM chains out there. And with our EVM chain, a single block size can process around 15,000 transactions per second. And the block confirmation time is about 3 seconds. So we welcome you to build on FusionX. We welcome you to come launch on us. And let's, at Zenith Chain, like I said, it's 70% vibes and 30% crypto. So join us and let's usher in Web3. Thank you.